Baiklah, sekarang beberapa latihan lagi. Helen akan berbicara tentang dirinya sendiri. Misalnya,
I started to save some money.
dan saudara hendaknya menerangkan apa yang dilakukannya.
She started to save some money.
Kemudian, ulangilah jawaban yang betul dari Chris. Siap, saudara-saudara?
I intend to save some money.
She intends to save some money.
I try to save some money every week.
She tries to save some money every week.
I started to save last month.
She started to save last month.
Dan tentu saja, sekarang dia sedang belajar menyetir.
I'm learning to drive now. I'm learning to drive now.
Coba terangkan mengenai Helen.
She's learning to drive now. Now, what about a break? Do you want to have a break, listeners?
Yes, let's have a break.
Saudara pendengar, coba dengarkan lagi salah satu dari contoh tadi.
She wants to buy a car.
Sekarang, coba dengarkan bagaimana kalimat menyangkalnya.
I don't want to buy a car.
Untuk membuat kalimat menyangkal, kita mengubah kata kerja pertama dengan memakai kata not.
I do not. I don't. I don't want
Tetapi kata kerja di belakang to tidak kita ubah.
to buy a car. I don't want to buy a car.
Saudara pendengar, coba lakukan latihan berikut ini. Ubahlah kalimat yang saudara dengar menjadi kalimat menyangkal. Jangan lupa mengulangi jawaban yang betul sesudah saudara mendengarnya.
She intends to find a new job.
She doesn't intend to find a new job.
He'll want to buy a car next year.
He won't want to buy a car next year.
She tries to save money.
She doesn't try to save money.
Baiklah. Dan berikut ini kalimat-kalimat tentang apa yang sedang terjadi saat ini.
She's learning to drive a car.
She isn't learning to drive a car.
They're learning to speak English now.
They aren't learning to speak English now.
Dan sekarang, bagaimana bentuk pertanyaannya? Untuk ini, hanya kata kerja pertama saja yang harus kita ubah. Coba dengarkan.
I want to go to the pictures. Do you want to go too? Do you want to go too?
Coba ikuti beberapa contoh dari Helen.
Do you want to watch television? Is she learning to drive a car? Does she intend to find a new job? Does he want to buy a car?
Sekarang, mari kita dengarkan sebuah percakapan. Pada hari Sabtu pagi, Jane dan Don ada di rumah. Pagi itu cerah dan cuaca nyaman.
Gosh, it's a nice day. Let's go out. Jane, do you want to go to the mountains?
The mountains?
Yes, fresh air. I want to get away from the city and the traffic, you know?
But you'll be in the traffic. A lot of people will want to go to the mountains. There'll be a lot of cars on the roads. Anyway, there's a fashion parade in town. I want to look at some dresses.
Jadi, Don ingin pergi ke gunung dan Jane ingin pergi melihat pameran mode.
Do you want to go to the fashion parade?
A fashion parade? I don't want to look at women's clothes.
Hi, Jane. Hi, Don. It's a beautiful day. What are you going to do?
Well, I want to go to the mountains, and Jane wants to go to the city. She doesn't want to go to the mountains, and I don't want to go to the city.
Nah, apa gerangan yang akan terjadi? Mari kita dengarkan pertanyaan Chris. Yang pertama, mengapa saudara mau pergi ke gunung?
Why do you want to go to the mountains, Don?
I want to get away from the traffic in the city.
And why do you want to go to the city, Jane?
I want to go to a fashion parade.
Dan berikut ini beberapa pertanyaan lagi.
Where do you want to go, Jane?
I want to go to a fashion parade.
Where do you want to go, Don?
I want to go to the mountains.
Sekarang, coba saudara ulangi pertanyaan-pertanyaan Chris. Siap?
Where do you want to go, Don? Why do you want to go? Where do you want to go, Jane? Why do you want to go?
Sekarang, coba saudara ulangi pertanyaan-pertanyaan tentang Don dan Jane. Siap?
Where does Don want to go? Why does he want to go? Where does Jane want to go? Why